Python Ordereddict. Let's learn about orderedicts and compare them to regular dictionaries. We'll see how to reorder them and reassign and delete and reinsert keys. We'll also learn about pop item. An ordereddict is one of the collections modules and is also a subclass of dict. This is just like a regular dictionary, but it remembers what order we add pairs to it in. We import it from collections. D is an ordereddict. One by one, we add key value pairs to this dictionary. This is the ordereddict we have now. For a regular dictionary, the order of key value pairs does not matter. But two orderedicts with key value pairs in different orders are not the same. An ordereddict does remember the order of insertion. But we can change this order. We can reorder an ordereddict. Not very directly, but we can send a key value pair to the front or the end of an ordereddict using the move to end method. This is an ordereddict. If we move the pair E5 to the end of this dict, it moves to the end and everything else after it shifts to the left by 1. If we instead move the pair B2 to the front, because last is false, it moves to the front of the dict and everything else before it shifts to the right by 1. Orderedicts are mutable. We can reassign keys. F is an empty ordereddict. One by one, we add key value pairs to it. This is the dictionary. Now, if we change the value of E to 7, we can do it. An ordereddict does remember the order of insertion, but if we delete a key and then reinsert it, it only appears at the end of the dictionary until we add more pairs. This is the ordereddict. Pop the key value pair for the key E and it pops 7. F is now this ordereddict. Now if we add it back with the value 7 or even 5, this key value pair gets added to the end, not to its original position. Finally, we can also delete a pair from the beginning or from the end. This is the ordereddict. We call it G. Let's compare LIFO and FIFO. LIFO is last in first out. The last item you added is the first to be popped. FIFO is first in first out. The first item you added will be popped out first. Without an argument, pop item pops the pair at the end. With the flag last set to true, it still pops the pair at the end, which is now that for the key C. This is LIFO. At the end, we have the pairs we added newest, and these are the ones to be popped out first. Now FIFO. When the flag last is set to false, this removes the pair for the key D. This is the pair in the front of the dictionary. This is also the pair that we added first, so the oldest ones get popped out. And now you're aware of another kind of dictionary that's an ordereddict. Keep learning.